Hello everyone and welcome back to this trade recap. So we already go into it immediately. If you hear sounds, is someone there that's cooking, so I hope you cannot hear as much as maybe I'm hearing right now. So I'm just gonna be very short on this one. Today, Tuesday, again no news like Monday. We had great movement on Monday. We also got edged a bit on the TP, and I closed it before. And also today kind of happened, so just gonna go through it. So basically at the start we had again Asia, London, kind of displacing higher and then retracing a bit. So we had like a new day opening up. So we had this one here. I just highlight it. Okay, so always the first, always 30 minutes. Maybe we can aim, if we don't have otherwise, to aim for the midpoint of the first of the new day opening up. So we open, the first minutes are just like a barcode. So there's nothing interesting from 9:30 up to like 10. So basically we kind of want to go higher. We have equal highs here, and we don't take them with the first move. So we have like triple equal highs. That's perfect. So the best move, I say also we're doing the Discord, we tap this 15-minute gap here. This is a 15. And then we take London and Asia. And then we displace convincingly. We close above. In this case, we just have a 3-minute. That was not enough for a 5. We have a 3-minute gap here that maybe we want to inverse, and we can go to get the triple equal highs, which is very good draw, and also there is 4 hourly and everything else. So yeah, this was the 3-minute gap. We go down, we take Asia and London. We respect the 15-minute gap and we displace higher, okay? So in this case, if here we had a 1 minute like here without these wicks, I would already entered around here. Also 2 minutes right around here, but there was nothing. So I was kind of just waiting for the inverse of this one here. If there was an entry right here, would have been even better. But I mean, still here, it's fine. So candle closure on the 1 minute, 10:09 candle, 10:10 candle, I enter on the retrace, on retap here. And I'm aiming for these highs, so kind of 30 points, because there are so many equal highs. So you can also kind of aim for like this, but sometimes it's dangerous, so I would just prefer to put it here. So 29 points. And yeah, I mean, going super well. We have good displacement candles, but the only thing is that also thing to learn. If you watch ES at the same time, around 10, yeah. Also, ES was displacing quite convincingly, and ES actually takes the high of New York, these two equal highs. So I think as soon as ES took the highs and we showed a bit of hesitation in the market on this candle with this big wick, I also could have killed the trade there. But if I really think about it, it's still fine, because we had a nice wick here and we had a good draw. And even though ES took the highs, it was not like a big 4 hourly or very important. And it's still nice. I trailed my stop once we were here. After this candle closure, so after the 10:012 candle, I put my stop here. So at about like 3 or 4 points in. Yeah, 5 points. And then got trailed and ended up being a good decision, because then price would have moved to the stop and then would seek lower, would seek PM low. And yeah, I mean, now during New York lunch, I also said maybe we take it after, and we did, and we're actually going to the draw to London highs. That was the initial trade. Unfortunately, AM couldn't deliver there. We wanted to go back here before, so that's unfortunate, but it's still good anyway. Probably PM is going to take this and then going to retrace a bit. You see how now it's taking it, and it's doing a really good V shape. Oh yeah, it left equal highs here again. See how perfectly it left equal highs there. So PM did the move. Probably we have a 5-minute gap here. So 5, or we have a 3-minute. Yeah, Probably if now we displace after taking that high and we inverse this 5 minute, this could be also a nice short if you want to, because we would break a structure and then we would not respect this order block, and so we could kind of go lower to get these lows here. So let's see, I just put the order. If that happens, I will come back tomorrow, but this could be a nice interesting short even though it's in PM. This could be actually very nice, this one here. Okay, so let's see this plays out. Of course I'm not gonna take it. We can just go up and take all these highs. The 902 was also the draw of yesterday for this trade before, but we didn't ended up not taking it, so kind of unfortunate. Tomorrow is PPI, so 8:30, so 2:30 I'm gonna try some challenges, and also CPI during Thursday, so Wednesday and Thursday, and then yeah, let's see if the strats work out, and if we have to pay for more activations, which I kind of don't want to, but I still have 8 accounts now to try with Apex, and probably those are gonna be my last ones, and then I'm slowly gonna move on to Alpha and Tradify, which I really like for the basically end of day drawdown and no activation fees. Of course you have to take maybe the challenge a little bit more seriously, but we'll see. It's still in the future, just gonna focus now on what we have. And yeah, that's it. That was the brief explanation. Very simple. It would have been a really nice one to go to London highs, retap to a major fair value gap, and then retrace the higher. We reverse the highest time frame manipulation down, and then we can seek London highs for hourly, daily. So I think a lot of people took that and they got maybe break even. Another one that could have been nice if you thought you were bearish would have been the BPR here. Perfect, ambulance. So I'm probably gonna cut it here. This BPR here, we created a nice one. We inverse this, and you could kind of aim for shorts, but we could have just come back to this 3 minute and then go back up. So I mean, still preserve capital. I enter with the Tradify accounts, so I did 71 times 3, which is not much. So 213, which is okay. And yeah, we slowly get in there, and yeah, that's it. Yep, too much as always, and I'll see you in the next one.